Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Xbox mic is probably one of the most important accessories for any serious gamer on Xbox, allowing for crystal clear communication with teammates and an immersive experience in online gaming. Finding the perfect microphone can significantly enhance your gameplay, whether you're coordinating strategies in a competitive shooter or just chatting with friends during a casual game session. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why we're here to break down everything you need to know to find the best Xbox-compatible microphone for your needs and budget, covering key factors such as audio quality, compatibility, comfort, and features. Number 5. TONOR TC777 USB Microphone. It features a cardioid pickup pattern, capturing crisp vocals while minimizing background noise. Perfect for podcasts, recordings, and streaming. With a USB 2.0 connection, it's ready to use right out of the box. No drivers or complicated setup needed. Works with PCs, Macs, PS4, and PS5. It's also instantly recognized by popular programs like Zoom and Skype. The non-slip stand keeps it stable, while the shock mount and pop filter protect against unwanted sounds. It's designed for comfort and efficiency. It comes with a microphone, tripod, shock mount, pop filter, and windscreen. Everything you need to start recording is included. Get amazing audio quality with this easy-to-use microphone. Order yours now and unleash your creativity. What we like. It boasts a cardioid pickup pattern, ensuring crystal clear audio while minimizing background noise. Setup is a breeze. It's completely plug-and-play. If you need a versatile microphone compatible with various devices, this is the one for you. What people say. I have been using this mic for 2 years and still going. I needed something to quickly replace my lousy headset mic which introduced a lot of noise. I found this USB TONOR on Amazon after spending hours combing through countless of affordable mics and read enough reviews to convince me to give this one a try. I also bought a separate stand for it so I can maneuver its position more efficiently. The closer it is to your face, the better the sound quality. I use it pretty much every day when I get on Discord or play games like Apex Legends, Phasmophobia, etc. I have been told that it sounds great. I've messed around with Audacity and was also pleasantly surprised at how well this mic worked and how it made my voice sound like a radio personality. It does come with a removable foam filter and a round pop filter. Sound transmission is very good and depends on uninterrupted USB connection. This is the first time I've used a USB mic, so I didn't know what to expect. But it works great on my PC, connected to a USB 3.0 input. This review is long overdue. I have used the TONOR TC777 for over a year now for VoIP and Zoom call applications mostly in a quiet, study room environment. The sound quality is excellent for that price range. I have a Windows 10 machine and never had a problem with USB driver nor Windows detecting the microphone. Setting up the TONOR USB microphone was very simple, making the connection process quick. The mic sounds good and clear, but there were a few issues I encountered. The first issue was that the mic was a bit staticky. I fixed this by going into the sound settings, recordings, and right-clicking on the mic recording device to open up its properties. I proceeded to levels and lowering it from 100 to around 85. After doing this, the static sounds are gone. Number 4. HyperX QuadCast Microphone. Get ready to experience superior audio quality with the HyperX QuadCast. It's designed for gamers, streamers, and podcasters alike, offering unparalleled versatility and ease of use. It boasts radiant red lighting with dynamic effects, adding a touch of style to your setup. Customize it to match your personal aesthetic. This microphone features a built-in anti-vibration shock mount to minimize unwanted noise and bumps. Enjoy crystal clear audio, free from distractions. The convenient tap-to-mute sensor with LED indicator ensures you're always in control. A quick tap silences the microphone instantly. It offers 4 selectable polar patterns: stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. Choose the perfect setting for your recording environment. Easily adjust the microphone sensitivity with the gain control dial. It's compatible with PCs, PS4, PS5, Macs, and most mic stands. The integrated pop filter minimizes plosive sounds, and the headphone jack lets you monitor your audio in real time. Enjoy professional quality sound. It's certified by Discord and TeamSpeak and works seamlessly with popular streaming platforms like OBS and XSplit. Start creating high-quality content today. What we like. This microphone stands out with its 4 selectable polar patterns, giving you ultimate control over your audio. The built-in anti-vibration shock mount ensures smooth, professional recordings. If you prioritize sound quality in versatile recording options, this is your best bet. What people say. It's a super crisp and clear mic with a built-in pop filter and shock mount. Easy to use, can plug headset into the mic and hear yourself and others perfectly. The stand is made out of metal and very stable, so this microphone isn't going to fall over at any point. Very easy to mute and unmute by simply tapping the top like you would any touchscreen, and the red LEDs giving a clear indication that it is unmuted. Number 3. It's a plug-and-play USB microphone, easily connecting to your computer for recording. No complicated setup is needed, just plug it in and start recording. Its sturdy metal build ensures it will last. The stable tripod stand keeps it secure during use, perfect for voiceovers or live streams. A handy volume knob lets you easily adjust the sound level. Control your audio precisely, or mute it completely for privacy. It works with various applications, from Discord and Zoom to streaming software. This microphone is perfect for many recording needs. It delivers crisp, clear audio without static. It's great at isolating your voice and minimizing background noise. Whether you're podcasting, gaming, or streaming, it captures your voice with exceptional clarity. It's ideal for creating high-quality recordings. What we like. Its robust metal build ensures longevity, while the convenient volume knob offers precise audio control. It delivers crisp, clear audio, perfect for various applications. If you're after a durable and reliable microphone with precise volume control, this is a great choice. What people say. The audio quality is pretty good, especially for such an affordable price. It does everything I need it to flawlessly. Installation is effortless, with a simple plug-and-play setup that doesn't require any additional drivers or software. Its compatibility with both Windows and macOS ensures a smooth user experience right out of the box. The solid metal design feels durable and high quality, and the stable tripod stand keeps everything secure during recording. Number 2. FIFINE T669 USB Microphone Kit. It boasts a simple USB connection, making it easy to plug and play with your PC or laptop. No extra hardware or drivers are needed to start recording high-quality audio for your podcasts, vocals, or online calls. This microphone offers excellent sound quality with a wide frequency response. The cardioid condenser capsule captures clear audio while minimizing background noise, ensuring professional-sounding recordings. The sturdy boom arm provides flexible positioning, allowing you to adjust it to your perfect recording angle. It features a 180 degrees up and down rotation and 135 degrees forward and backward extension. A double pop filter is included to reduce plosives and other unwanted noises, ensuring clean and crisp audio for your recordings. This ensures your recordings are always professional sounding. It comes with everything you need: a shock mount, a durable scissor arm stand, a premium USB cable, and a user manual. You'll be ready to record right out of the box. What we like. This kit includes an adjustable boom arm for optimal positioning and a double pop filter for pristine recordings. It delivers excellent sound quality, making it ideal for professional-level recordings. If you are looking for a high-quality microphone with a flexible setup, this is the one to choose. What people say. The sound quality is clear and professional, perfect for voiceovers, YouTube, and gaming. The adjustable boom arm and shock mount provide great stability, and the plug-and-play USB feature makes it easy to use with my computer. Taking it out of the box, it seemed like it was built okay, if you judge build based on weight. The microphone itself was pretty lightweight, not like other studio mics I've used in the past for music recording. The parts are light aluminum and have the feel of a desk lamp of similar style. Sound quality, very nice. I compared it to both the MacBook Pro built-in microphone and the Mac Studio display microphone, and it crushes both of them. When you first get the mic, it is a very simple setup, really just plug and play. The audio quality is good for the price range. Number 1. FIFINE AmpliGame Mic. It features a customizable RGB lighting system with 7 gradient color modes, setting a vibrant atmosphere for your gaming sessions. A convenient quick mute button instantly silences the microphone, preventing accidental interruptions during gameplay. The RGB light turns off when muted, providing visual confirmation. This microphone is designed to capture clear and full audio, making your voice sound crisp and natural. The cardioid condenser design focuses on sound from the front, minimizing background noise for professional quality recordings. Easily adjust the microphone's gain using the conveniently placed knob to balance your voice with game audio. The adjustable thumbscrew on the stand allows you to find the perfect recording angle for optimal comfort and sound. It's plug-and-play compatible with PC, PS4, and PS5, making setup a breeze. The long USB cable offers flexible placement, ensuring a stable connection during even the most intense gaming sessions. The included shock mount and pop filter minimize vibrations and plosives for a cleaner recording. The sturdy tripod stand with rubber feet keeps it stable on your desk, even during exciting gameplay. The package includes the microphone with shock mount and pop filter, a tripod stand, a 6.6-foot USB cable, and a user manual. It's ready to enhance your streaming and gaming experience right out of the box. What we like. It features eye-catching gradient RGB lighting and a handy quick mute button for seamless transitions. The gain control allows for precise audio adjustments. If you want a fun, feature-rich microphone with easy-to-use controls, this is perfect for you. What people say. The condenser mic captures my voice with remarkable clarity and richness, allowing me to convey the nuances of my message with precision. Setting up the microphone is a breeze, thanks to its plug-and-play functionality. The included tripod stand provides stability and flexibility, allowing me to adjust the microphone's position for optimal sound capture. The sound is incredible and it legitimately competes with mics triple the price. I use this for both work and gaming on 2 different PCs, and I don't have to have it directly in front of my face, or on camera, for it to pick me up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.